Hey guys, welcome for a new tutorial. So today it's St. Patrick's Day and we have a little tutorial going on. So you can see here we have leprechaun. So try to make a little game and where we have this coin coming and leprechaun needs to jump around it. It's kind of the reverse. So usually he's looking after money. Now he's tries to avoid money. So this is what we try to do here. So it's going to be a jumping game where leprechaun will jump when he catches when he's hit by a coin. And we're going to start the game with 20 points, and each time he's hidden by a coin, we're gonna decrease the points by 1. So I show you how to do all of that. So let's start with a demonstration. There we go. It's pretty simple actually. There we go. And you see the points are decreasing all the time. It's happening. All right. There we go. All right, so I want to say to you, let's get started. All right, so you go to Google and you type Scratch, MIT. So this is what you type, and you should arrive here and on this interface. All right, and I put in the description a link for you. So where you can find the images for the leprechaun and also for the coin. So you're gonna have two emojis, I want to say. All right, so I do it right now. So all right, firstly let's get started with the background. All right, so you go to choose a backdrop, and you know, leprechaun usually it's the topic, the theme is around nature, you know, the forest, that type of things. Here we have a forest, so I like this one, so I just pick this one. And we have the cat here. We don't want the cat, so what we do, we click on the trash, so we get rid of the cat. So we don't want the cat. And there we go. And now I'm going to click here and look for leprechaun. So you don't see it, but now I'm in my folder where I'm looking for the different icons I have. Alright, so here we have leprechaun. So I put it here. Around here. That's good. And I'll be looking for also the coin. So we have the coin here. All right, we put the coin just right here. That's all right. So we're good here. So that's a good way to get started. So as you saw in the demonstration, the coin will move like this from the right to the left, like this, from the right to the left. All right, that's all we get. Okay, now let me click on leprechaun, and we're gonna start by go to events. You know, we start our games like this when green flag is clicked. So green flag is here, and what I do, I need to create the variable points that we have here, right, guys? So we go here to variables, make a variable. You click here and you type points. That should be it. You see it appears here and it says 0. All right, so that's one thing. And when the game gets started, all the time we want the leprechaun to be here. So let's make sure he is here. and we go to motions. So motion here, go to XY. So that's the position we have right now. I just put it like this, and we need to jump all the time. We click. Let's say for this game we use the space key bar. We're gonna press that one for the Pokemon to jump. So what I do, I need to control that all the time, so I need to use a forever loop. So it's pretty a four-wheeler, so it goes everywhere. All right. So if I press the space key bar, it needs to jump. All right. So I need a if the space keys bar is pressed, I need to change. I need it to go up. After that, go down. All right. So I need to go up. I need to look for change on Y. Change Y. Made some tested, so let's say around 70. I made some tests, so you can try different heights depending of how big your character will be. So for my character, it's about that. So I jump, I wait for like 1 second, and I come back. There we go. And I need the same one. I jump, stay up, and I go down. So for that, I need to change my Y right after. All right, and put it -70 so you can go back to where it was. But before that, you can maybe try it. All right, there you go. You jump. Okay, and now I need to go back, and I put it right back here. All right, jump 1 second. All right, I put 10, so you kind of go back a bit higher. You win. Let me stop that. All right, let me try 70. I put it back here. It goes, when I click on the space key bar, oh, 1 second, it goes up. I stop that, so I need to put -70 here. -70. There we go. Click on it, up, it goes up, it goes down. It goes up, it goes down. It goes up, it goes down. That's how it goes. Alright guys. So let's go back to the coin now. I need the coin to kind of move from the right to the left. That's what I need. And I usually like to start my game with the green flag, and I need it to slide all the time. Keep sliding, gliding. So I want it also to start the game here. I go to motions, and I put go to. So that's the position he's right now because it's selected. And I want to put glide 2. That's what I have right now. Alright, glide 2, but I want it to glide at the position of the leprechaun. What's the position of leprechaun right now? Click on it here, -216, and okay, let me write it down, -216 and -122. Alright, there we go. Glide to -216 -122. There we go, let's give it a try. There we go. But maybe I needed to go a bit further. So on X, let me put -240. I think you can go there. All right. So it happens to arrive there, but I need you to do it continuously. So for that, I might need to try a forever loop. Let me try that. Control forever. There we go. There you go. There you go, guys. Seems we have something. Alright, let me maybe slow it down just a little. See how it goes. There you go. I think that's a good ratio. So guys, you can modify it as well as you want, as good as you want, and have the better option for you. Okay, so we have that. So when I started all of this, I mentioned to you the points. All right, the points. So I need the points to get started at 20. So this is what we'll do here. I put the points at 20, set my variables. That's it. So we need to do it before it gets started. The forever loop. So I put it at 20. All right, and it goes through the loop. All right, let me up. All right, it's still at 0. I forgot something. Let me click on stop. Click here and points. There we go. So points should be at 20. Let's try it one more time. So you can see the points are at 20. A good thing here. So we're going somewhere. Now guys, we need to decrease the points. We definitely do. And when do we need to do that? We need to do that when the coin touches the leprechaun, touches the character here. So if leprechaun touches the coin, we need to decrease the point. All right, let's do that. So we said if to find if, usually it's control. We put if here right after. If it touches the coin, get it touching. That's what we have here. If touching the coin, we need to change the points, the number of points, or you can increase it, whatever you want, guys. So that we need to go to variable, and for variable, set variables. We did that, which is when we get started, and change my variable. Can do that. All right. So when it touches the coin, all right. Let me get started. So let me click on the green flag. Up, we jump. All right. Let's get. So, still not working, guys. What happened? Let me take a look. I forgot that again. All right. So I need to put points. All right. Let's do it one more time. I jump one more time, and it goes 20, 30, 40. It's not increasing by 1 point. Okay, he spent some time on it. Okay, so we might need to when it touches it, we need to maybe wait a little bit. So that's a little bug we have here. So if you guys know a better way to do it, but I think I do it this way. I put a wait, and if you know a better way, guys, please leave it in the comments. All right, there we go. And here, okay, 1 point. It's increasing, and it's not moving. So it takes some time to move after that. So maybe I need to put a bit shorter. Let me put 0.5 or something like that, half of the time. It takes some time. Get hit by it. Alright, there we go. There we go. Let me stop it. Change point. Okay, so it's increasing. So this is what we wanted. We the points to decrease. So this is what we'll do. Let's give it a try. There we go. When we get hit by it, decrease it off 1 point. Alright. There you go. There you go, guys. I think that's it. So we have a little game. It's not too hard to do, and it's pretty funny. So it's a nice way to get started, and and have fun for St. Patrick's Day, guys. So I really hope you enjoyed the game. You've learned something today. If you like the video, as usual, please give it a like, leave some comments, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, see you for another tutorial. Bye bye.